What up? Welcome to part 3 on the Daihatsu Atrai S230G build out here in Japan. On episode 1, we put LED headlights, LED daytime lights, LED fog lights. We added cool little bits and pieces like that, and really just laid eyes on the Atrai for the first time. I got to see the yellow calipers. They didn't have these wheels at the time, and really just started to fall in love with my forever K-van while I'm out here in Japan. 2 weeks later, road trip to Osaka with Tiki and David, yada yada yada, the head gasket blew. About 3 weeks later, broken pieces here, hard to find engine parts there. We end up getting the car back. Then on episode 2, we had to make an executive decision. Do we continue to reinvest on the K-van that just blew its head gasket after 2 weeks of ownership? Or do we sell it, maybe get something different, just throw it back in auction? I decided to stick through with it, which led to installing LED reverse lights. We wired and removed the entire headliners to get these rear speakers to fit. Installed new Pioneer speakers in the front. We also put a larger capacity intercooler in the front. And I do have to say, it actually does make a big difference. I do feel like the car is a bit faster. Along with the most noticeable difference when it comes to this car, how could we not have some baller tri-spokes? Not only that, but look at the attention to detail on the lug nuts. Which leads us to today's video. We're going to now install a new radio, so I'm finally gonna have CarPlay in here. We're also gonna wire in the rear speakers, which I can't wait to start bumping. I would also love to install this Hello Kitty ETC reader. I currently just have a normal one, and that's fine, but I feel like back home in America, I have ETC readers that do absolutely nothing for me. So how in Japan, where this is actually useful and has a real function, am I not gonna have a baller ETC reader? Personally, that's my 3 goals. What I would also love to do, but I don't know if we have the time, is also install Underglow. I think once I have Underglow on this thing, it's almost, I want to say 80% complete. There's definitely still some little TLC things that I would love to do. I think this car needs a good detail. I would love to put a period correct WayBeforeTheFame decal on both sides. And I found some wood grain online that I think will look really nice in here. But once we get that Underglow in, I cannot wait to drive it to everywhere. So without further ado, let's get on the road, drive to Rodrigo, who's been a huge help on this entire process. And let's hope we can get a lot of things done today. First things first, just got to Rodrigos. This has been a crazy eyesore. Part of me still wants to get like real Yokohama ones, but these are, I think, $5 for a pack of 4. And I don't even know how this one fell out because all other 3 have sat in there perfectly. So I just need you to stay there. Now the car looks complete again. This is aux. So Rodrigo does the radio. I'm going to pass the Underglow down through here. That way I can access it on the bottom. And this can just stay, this can stay here for it now.
Maybe just
yeah, lay it back right there.
Yeah.
Now under here, I'll just separate which corner goes to what. And then I'll try to drill it into the, maybe here. So now I have all 4 pieces where they need to be. As you can see, this one's a lot longer than that guy. So that one goes in the front. This is on the side. That long one is also on the side. And then the shorter one goes in the back. Before I use the 3M double-sided tape, I'm just gonna clean the surrounding areas. See if I can grab some rubbing alcohol too. And make sure it really sticks. Although I'm still gonna use a drill just to at least lock in one piece on each side. So now that that's done, let's try to center this. update. Underglow is all installed. I would say one flaw when it comes to K cars, especially K vans, but most K just in general, is that we don't have bumpers. So there's nowhere to really put them as far as the back and the front go. So I sometimes can put it on this, but then I feel like it's too far back. I don't really want to put it over this. I don't want to put it on the bumper per se, just in case I gotta take the bumper off, I gotta take the underglow off also. So you can see that side works. That side works. Here's how the front looks. Everything is nice and tight. Used a bunch of zip ties. I gotta cut this. I don't think it's powered on. If anyone's wondering what underglow I'm using, I got this from Amazon back in America. I think it's like 40 bucks. And then here's the radio. From our understanding, I don't think it translates back into English, but it's not the end of the world because I really just need Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and the time, honestly. But as of right now, Underglow is 100% installed, connected to Bluetooth. Rodrigos finishing up the ETC reader. We just got to put some double-sided tape there. Radio's good. And then I think I might drive over. I thought these were T10s in the back, but they're T6.5s. And I would love to put LEDs in here prior to putting it back inside the car. No details too small when it comes to my cars. So for the longest, I've had really ugly floor mats. And now I'm going to have proper Daihatsu Atrai mats that are mint. So this is what I currently have. Out with the old and with the new. For cheap. I could actually put these on the... Oh, no, I can't. The bolt pattern. Oh, it's 5-lug, too. I was going to say, I could put these on the wheel. Because I need to get...
Wheel is only 4?
Yeah, it's 4x100. I need to get wheels on the wheel before it leaves. So I'm here for one reason. To buy these bad boys for the giveaway truck. I don't see anything else worth picking up. These are kind of nice. These are a crowd favorite. These, I remember last time I was here, I thought were T37s, and I was like, wow, that's cheap. These are also really nice. But 15, I could put those on the wheel, but I need a taller tire. The wheel has a very thick tire. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna get out of here. These are pretty cool. White. K-spec. Gotta love a mini light. And then I gotta check exactly what tire I'm gonna put. I'm being told that this might be the better option for my Atrai because I'm currently monster trucking and I don't have time to put lowering springs and I want a more comfortable ride. But let me just unhook this, bring it to the register, and tomorrow we'll be installing this on the sandbar. Oh wait, they're 6.5 wide. Oh no, they're not, the 4.5. That was how much tires left. Got the new wheels. Time to hear Hello Kitty. Actually in Japan where it makes sense. What did it say there?
She said, please insert the card. Where are you guys going? Like, where are you going? Where are you like
traveling to?
Yeah, where are you? It's kind of when you go out to have fun. Yeah, no,
So we're currently in Autobacks looking for T5 bulbs for my cluster. I hate doing double the work and I feel like it's already out of the car because I installed the radio and I can't find T5 bulbs anywhere. They have it on my Amazon, so I might just have to keep my radio looking janky, which I have done on several builds before. I remember Mendy always made fun of me. I think Dad Bought Garage. I think even the comments told me like, hey, just put everything back together. And I just can't. I hate doing double the work. The only T5s I could find are this, but they're not LEDs, so I'm not gonna put this in my car. I want some nice bright white LEDs on my cluster. Update, currently getting gas. I end up just ordering the LEDs off Amazon, so that should be here midweek. So with that being said, I'll probably just leave the radio like that for now. All of this doesn't really bother me. I don't need to have my fog lights, my defroster. It's also starting to get dark, so I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like with the underglow. But check out this Pajero right here. Big red mud flaps, rally yard everywhere. I gotta see what wheels it has. If anyone's wondering, the Atrai takes 34 liters. It's also a gas guzzler. I really wish this thing was two-wheel drive. Come on, you got the stocks? That's too clean of a car to rock stocks. Speaking of stock though, you guys ready for this? Hey, hey. The time is here, guys. The time is here. Underglow, tri-spokes. I still gotta give it a really deep clean, and I gotta get it a little darker. How far we have come, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. Just clicking away right now. Look at this. Now I can't wait to go back to Daikoku. Actually, wait, we still need a detail. We still need some other little things, but I'm probably gonna end this video here unless I could find some more things to stop at. Wow, I can do this all day. It's the next morning. I just want to add this in the video. What's the chances of me buying this? It's been sitting here so long that the black on the plate is gone. It still has shocking though, because it still has plates. Flat tires. It's a street too. It has the split seat. Can't tell if it has a tack, and I don't want to invade anyone's privacy. But maybe Honda Street, soon to be exported. Crazy part is someone's gonna buy that, clean it up, throw it in auction. It's gonna be a grade 4. But I'm ending this video here. Look at this sweet Jimny. Look at the Atrai. I think this weekend I'm gonna get the 165/65 14s. I think that additional height will definitely go a long way because I plan on doing the road trip to Osaka and Nagoya sometime early next week. So anyone who purchased a car from Nagoya, Osaka, if you need rims or tires or battery, if there's anything I need to do, definitely send me a text message. Because from my understanding, I need to put new wheels on the Naked, new wheels on the Vamos. I need to put the strut bar on the Merrill walkthrough. I need to take a video of the green light for the homie. And then I need to take a video of the Pajero. I need to take a video of the green sandbar that's there. There's so many things I need to do over there. And it's essentially going to be like the redemption trip. Because the last time I took this car on a road trip, I came back on the bullet train. So let's hope that this time around with my new head gasket, with my new wheels, with my taller tires, I should be able to do a 14-hour road trip with no problem. But I'm ending this video here. About to start my day and create some amazing content. We are so close to 40K subscribers. So if you're watching this far, please consider. Definitely leave a like. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.